XRP, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. Okay. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video, exactly when the price was here, we mentioned if we want to look for trade, we get it for the bigger correction. That's why we mentioned if we want to look for buy within this, if we see any trade setup, we consider as a short term. Okay, and this is exactly, and even mentioned if the prices start to correct, we can expect for price for one more drop. This is the reasons, because if you refer to what this is as we can see the price drop. Okay, that's why whenever the price was here, we mentioned if we want to look for trade, we have to get the correction and trade setup. Okay, and the second reason, when the price was within this move, we have been looking for buy and we have been looking for 1.76. We wanted to see the breakout of 1.76 and we use it as a target, as we can see exactly the price tag and reverse. Okay, anyway, right now we want to see what's the next. That's why whenever we want to look for trade, this is every time I highlight, we have to wait for the trade setup. We have to know what's the direction. Okay, and if we move to 1 hour for daily chart, we have been looking for buy, we get the breakout of the previous top, we were looking for the continuation. Then later we see if we want to look for trade, we have to wait for the correction and manage whatever the trade we have it. Okay, and right now one is what's the next. Based on daily chart, we don't have any trade setup, and if I move to forward chart, we mentioned when the price was here, we mentioned we can get the correction. Even we point on may it tend to deeper correction similar to any of this, because we refer to the indicators, we see the divergence. Okay, right now we don't see anything. We don't have any trade setup. The only thing is manage the trade based on forward chart. Okay, and how about if I move to and beside that, can we expect this is the start of the down move? This is, we mentioned, we put this one in relative to this for this is the start of the down move. We cannot confirm right now. For sure, we have the, if we put this one as a ABC, we have a divergence. If I show, it will be more clear. All right, and how about here? Okay, the only thing is the reasons I mentioned, may this one we put in relative to this, we have A, B, C. Can we consider this is the only move and we can expect for one more drop? We need to know about this possibility, but the only time we can confirm if we get any confirmation for the one more drop. Then if we get any confirmation, we'll take the sell. Then after that, we can look at this, whether this is a correction or still we can expect the price to retest this low. Okay, this is what we can, how we can look at the chart. We should know all the possibility when looking, when we want to take the trade. If it is not moving the way what we want it, then we know what's the next possibility. Okay, what's the next option? But right now, I don't want to say the price is going to drop or retest this low. What I want to say is in long term, we're looking for buy. But as long as the price is within this range, we haven't broke the previous top, we should know what's the next. Okay, how whether this one is going to turn to a deeper correction or this is the only correction, and how we can trade it. Anyway, right now we don't have any trade setup based on forward chart. And if I move to 1 hour chart, and even in our analysis, we mentioned that the price can drop, but there was no there was no opportunity to look for sell unless anyone trade based on lower time frame. All right, anyway, what I can say that right now, that the only times we can look for continuation if we get a correction here technically. All right, and even if right now we have a correction, that's mean even if we get a reversal, we can look for buy. We don't have any trade setup right now. We cannot confirm this one can continue or it can reverse, but since we are looking for buy for long term, we wait and see if the price correct here. Any reversal, we take it with the breakout of this, we can start to manage. This is what we can say, that the only times we won't sell if this one turn to a corrective move similar to what we get here, because this one can confirm the price for continuation to drop. But right now, this is how we can look at it. The only thing is we have to wait. Even the price sharply reverse from here, we are not going to buy. Even the price drops as a sharp move, we are not going to sell it. We wait, get the confirmation. If the price move without giving us a trade setup, we just let it go. We wait for the next opportunity. Every time so you can find the opportunity. But if we buy at the wrong time and the market go again, if like we trade it at the wrong like entry, then the market go against the us, then we lose. But if we lose the chance, we don't take the trade, every time we can find the second opportunity to look for the next trade. Okay, Similar to what we get here. Since the price was from here, we have been looking for buy. If anyone missed this chance, we had the second chance. All right. Anyway, just now we're looking at this. I want to see whether we can get any reversal buy setup from this correction or not. The best thing is we wait and see what we get here. Any reversal from here, we will take the trade with the breakout of this. We start to manage. The only times, as I mentioned, if this one turned to corrective move, I don't think we can look for buy. Okay. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.